Let's learn how you can fix control center not working. So there are few solutions for this. And for the first one, we want to go to settings. So open your settings application. And then what you want to do is to go to Face ID and passcode section. Now here you want to enter your password and scroll down a bit. Here you will see allow access when locked, and if control center is gray, you want to turn it on to be green, and you're finished here. So you want to go back to settings again and go to apps. Here on search bar you want to type in control center. If you can't find it here, you can just go back to settings and just click on search and type again control center. Open it and click on access within apps. So if it's gray, you want to turn it again on green. Now, third solution is to check software update. So you want to go to general and click on software update. If there is any update available, you want to download it as soon as possible. If it still doesn't work, you want to force restart your iPhone. How you can do that? Just click on volume up and then volume down, and just hold this power button or lock button and hold it until Apple logo appear again. So it's gonna shut down first, then Apple logo will appear, and your iPhone gonna be first restarted. After that, control center should work 100%. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.